Hey everyone, so today we are going to make eggless Belgian waffle without any waffle machine, also with the homemade chocolate sauce. So first we have to take 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, then add half cup of powdered sugar. To it we will add 1 tablespoon of corn flour or corn starch for the crispiness, then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. So we are making chocolate waffles. If you want to make plain waffle, then just don't add the cocoa powder. Sift this nicely, mix this all together. Now for the wet ingredients, we will take 3 tablespoons of curd or yogurt, which is homemade. Then add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm using salted butter. You can use unsalted butter, but then make sure to add some salt in the dry ingredients. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and then mix this nicely using a whisk or a spoon. Now we will add this wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and give it a good mix. For making the batter, we will use half cup of milk. You can increase the amount of milk according to your judgment, but we do not want a very loose or very hard batter. The consistency should be like this. Yes. Now for making the waffles, I'm using this silicone mold which I bought it from Amazon. You can also use a waffle machine if you have it. I'm greasing it with some oil and then pouring the batter. I transferred the batter in this glass. You can transfer it or use it from the bowl. Tap it from the sides. Now in a pan or such vessel, place a small lid or any stand and cover it and preheat it at medium flame for 2 minutes at least. Then place the batter. Make sure to just wipe out the excess batter which are on the sides like this. Then cover it and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes at low flame. Do the toothpick test. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means the waffles are ready. It took me at least 20 minutes for this. Then for the chocolate sauce, I'm using some milk chocolate. You can use any type of the chocolate if you have. I'm not melting it like nicely, just I'm keeping it a bit hard because that's how we want it. If you have Nutella handy, you can use Nutella. You don't need to make this chocolate sauce. Now in a pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour, then this milk chocolate that we almost melted, then 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk. Mix this all together nicely until everything is combined at low flame. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of salted butter. Mix this nicely. Now I want the sauce to be more thick, so that's why I'm adding additional half tablespoon of corn starch or corn flour. Then 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar to cover that taste of corn flour. So this thickness is fine, this consistency is fine. It will become more thick as it cools down. The waffles are cooled down, it is coming out nicely. Now we will place this waffles on a pan which is on high flame and heat it until the other side is crispy and like a bit of blackish or brownish like this. So now we will apply the chocolate sauce that we made. I'm using such spatula for applying it. You can use any spoon. So I'm applying it on the smoother side, on the sides, and then sort of sticking the other waffle to this and then applying the chocolate sauce over at the top of it and on sides. I'm applying a generous amount of chocolate sauce. Repeat the same step for the rest 2 waffles. The batter that we made can make 6 waffles, but I didn't make 6, I just made 5. So this one was lonely. I didn't have any extra waffle to stick with it, so I just applied some chocolate sauce on it like this only. Now I'm sticking some choco chips. You can skip this step if you do not have choco chips. Some white choco chips, and yes, it's ready. So this is exactly the waffles that we get from Belgian Waffles, Waffelmeester, or Pancake Story. It tastes exactly like that. If you have Nutella, of course you can apply Nutella, but I didn't have handy, so I made chocolate sauce. If you like this recipe, do share, subscribe. Bye.